imagine if full tourism goes on again and everything is back to normal, this place is heat. Melasti Beach! Wow! Welcome back guys to another vlog. We're still in Uluwatu. We are checking out Melasti Beach because it's a must. It's such a famous beach. The entry was 10,000 per person and 2,000 for parking. I hope you understand us because the wind is pretty strong. Are we excited to see the beach? Wow! It's so pretty! Good driving, baby. Good driving.
We arrived at Melasti Beach and honestly it is really pretty. Although I'm curious what people are doing here since the waves are super strong and honestly swimming is a no-go here. So I don't know, let's see what you can do here. Melasti Beach is such a dream. It is so pretty, honestly.
Yeah, the water is blue, turquoise, green. It's so pretty, the little beaches here. I can imagine it's super fun just to sunbathe all day here and come with kids. There are ships and so much to do, I guess. And it's so cool to see that there are so many local people are here and not many foreigners. We feel very local. Feels cool. But no wonder this place has 3,000 reviews on Google. It's superb.
If you follow the street, you will find this beautiful viewpoint where you have a nice view over the entire Melasti Beach.
Alright, this sums up our Melasti Beach time here. We've been approximately 2 hours here, shot some photos, walked at the beach, embraced the sun, and now we have to drive quickly to Padang Padang in Uluwatu because we need to pick up our luggage, and then we're heading off to
Nusa Dua!
Nusa Dua, you're gonna explore.
Super excited because Nusa Dua has supposedly some very nice beaches for snorkeling and we will go there today.
Quickly just grabbing our bags and then leaving to Nusa Dua.
We also got some postcards on the way and some water, and I want to point out that the postcards from Jakarta are honestly so much more pretty than the postcards from Bali. So Bali, you are lacking on some beautiful postcards. And 3. We are on the road again to Nusa Dua. We are leaving Uluwatu. It was great here, but now it's time to go to the east side of the south of Bali. Ready?
Ready. Full tank whenever we can, because you never know when the next gas station will hit if you're somewhere in the village. We found a pretty cool place. Actually Lara found it. I was almost driving by it. It's a place where all the God's houses are together. So we have the Christian house, the Buddhism house, the Protestants house and the Hinduism house, and then I don't see the Muslim house.
But they are here as well, so all of the 5 religions of Indonesia are in this place together. So you can come here to pray and also just to look at the other houses. It's just so nice.
Alright, we arrived in our accommodation at the Ojo here in Tanjung, Benoa, which is above Nusa Dua. We are paying €9 a night, so 140,000 rupiah.
Mark and I are really hungry by now, so I found a good food spot, I guess. Let's hope that it's open and we will go there now, and afterwards hopefully we'll do some water sports.
Fingers crossed everything is open, and fingers crossed the people with the water sports are still in business. Also, we take the GoPro with us instead the camera because we don't know which water sport we will choose and if we can bring a bag or not, so safety first, huh?
So we ordered the Sigara Bureki. This is like crispy pastry filled with cheese, and then you can dip it inside the ketchup. We also got some falafel wraps, and we got a salad which consists of tomatoes and what is it?
Cucumbers.
Oh, which consists of tomatoes and cucumbers.
Alright, we arrived here at the Tanjung Benoa beach, and surprisingly sad, it's very empty here. Normally thousands of people are here and doing water sport activities. Right now we are looking for someone who rents us some jet skis. We're seeing over there some people, actually two, are they doing some water sports?
I already see some people doing really fun water sports stuff.
So we're gonna try to find out prices and have some fun as well.
Where are you from? Germany?
Yeah.
Alles good?
Alles gut, yeah. We just signed our agreement, or our signing agreement now, but we did the payment for 250 for 15 minutes for both of us. I think it's a good deal.
I'm so excited, but I'm also very scared that we will have an accident or something. But I know Mark will drive very careful, so we will be fine. Done. How did you like it?
I liked it, but it was so wobbly and shaky and uncertain because I was so new to this water sport thing. But I liked it. I can recommend it. Cool place. Water bazooka they call it. But now we're going back to our accommodation, get changed, and then later on we go to the water blow, yeah?
Yeah, right, exactly. See you there.
See you there.
We went back to the hotel and quickly got changed, and now it's time for our evening in Nusa Dua. So we will go to water blow now and see whether it is open or not. I heard about it being closed for tourism, but maybe we are lucky and it's open. And afterwards we will go to Bali Collection, which is the mall in Nusa Dua, and we are super excited to see all the stores there.
Go to the water blow?
Water blow is closed.
It's closed.
Sorry.
Alright, as you heard the policeman, the water blow is closed, so unfortunately we cannot go. Lara just shot a really cool picture here in front of the gate of me. The sunset is hitting the gate beautifully, and now we're gonna figure out what we're gonna do next.
We will probably go to the mall now, right?
Yeah, let's try it.
This mall is like a little village, so everywhere are stores. I think most of them are closed, but some seem to be open. So we will walk around and see in which stores we will go.
I can imagine if full tourism goes on again and everything is back to normal, this place is heat. So many people are here, so many people are shopping, so many shops. It's like basically a little shopping town. We know this from Germany. We have something very close by in Ochtrup, a little town and nearby where we live, yada yada. But it's very, very cool. People spend the whole afternoon there and just shopping and eating, and pretty cool place. It's very empty. We're the only customers here, but they have so much, and every day they have sales. Pretty cool. If you're here in Nusa Dua, you can come and go shopping hard.
Oh my god, you guys. So I finally found a wooden hairbrush. I was searching for a hairbrush for over 1 week now because a gecko pooped on my hairbrush, so I bought one and that just didn't work for me, and now I got this one. So happy! I got my brush. We call it a successful shopping day. Even though everything was closed, this store was open. Okay guys, so we had a blast today in Tanjung, Benoa, and also in Nusa Dua. We did experience a lot of stuff here, and we are so excited for tomorrow because tomorrow we will go to Sanur.
And guys, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe down below, and follow us on this Bali adventure because we have so much more.
Yeah, we will see you tomorrow in
Another
Sanur.
video.
In another video in Sanur.
Bye bye guys.
Bye bye.
Welcome back to the behind the scenes of the vlog. We're actually super hungry, or actually I am super hungry, and we stopped in the Alphamart and I'm just buying the NUSA Dua cup. I had the choice between Pop Me and this one. I don't know, this picture looks better, but the cashier said Pop Me is better, so write down in the comments which instant noodle is your favorite one if you want to eat on the go. Kto brzuch to jest?
Mark and I quickly stopped at this point on the view. So Mark and I quickly
Alright, we arrived in our accommodation in the Tanjung. Ojo, yeah? Tanjung Tano. Oyo.
So I found a little no. So we are really.
Yes, it seems like a lot of. Weil das so enjoyed has, we can dip it in the ketchup.
Maybe we can go to the beach and enjoy the sunset. And
Yeah.
it was really, huh?
Yeah, we're done. I'm done for today.
It's okay.
Mach du das Auto. So we found a really cool Turkish local place where they have like pretty sweet food, like a falafel, a salad, tomato and cucumber. Lara enjoys her falafel as well. They have some pastry with cheese inside. It's pretty nice.